Meaning of excitedly.
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 Excitedly. Excitedly is an adverb that describes a state of being excited or enthusiastic about something. When someone is excitedly doing something, it means they are doing it with energy, passion, and anticipation. For example, if someone is excitedly jumping up and down, it means they are jumping with enthusiasm and excitement. This word is often used when describing actions that are done with a sense of eager anticipation, positive emotions, and high energy levels. Overall, excitedly conveys a feeling of enthusiasm and a general sense of positivity.